Good one location and breakfast good. Dome Hotel. The hotel is well situated near to the harbor and has parking which is A+. We will be back, staff very helpful and the hotel is very clean. Breakfast was exceptional and would recommend. Everything is within walking distance from the hotel. I highly recommended the hotel. Perfectly situated hotel. Staff really helpful, had great time and no problems at all. Would have liked coffee in the room to make it perfect, but even without the coffee, great value. Exceptional. This hotel is wonderfully situated right on the ocean with magical views. The food was fantastic, as was the Nestled rock pool. I would think it might not suit kids as there was not much for them. I will be back ASAP. The Dome. Absolutely the best hotel, cozy, wonderful food at the Anchor restaurant and the location right on the coast with stunning sea views and a natural swimming pool in the rocks. Stayed here many times and I love it. Exceptional, great spot for shopping and restaurants. Hotels. Anchor restaurant was excellent. Definitely will be staying at the Dome Hotel again. Exceptional, very nice place to stay. A gem of a hotel. This is the second time we have chosen this hotel. It is centrally located close to the harbor and castle, and the main shopping area. There is a free car park for guests. The pool is beautiful, and as a bonus, residents have easy access into the sea via the hotel's private jetty. This is very useful as there is no beach in the town. Finally, the breakfasts are delicious, and the bar price is quite reasonable. Fabulous location, great value and facilities on site are fantastic. Found this hotel to be in a great central location. A short walk to the harbor area which is filled with cafes and restaurants. Easy to hire a boat trip. Staff at the hotel were very helpful and attentive. Our upgraded room, wedding anniversary celebration, was one of the largest with a corner wraparound balcony giving outstanding uninterrupted sea, pool, terrace and mountain views. Room 228. 2 sets of balcony doors from our room gave access to the outside area. Breakfast had a huge variety and staff made sure it was always clean, tidy and well stocked. We've already booked a return birthday trip early in 2023 and hope we can get the same room. Great hotel, we couldn't find fault. Great hotel. Good sized rooms. Breakfast good but could have done with more choice of cereals. Swimming facilities are excellent. 2 pools and a seawater pool complete with fish and crabs at the back. It also has the advantage of massive waves crashing on the rocks. Great fun. The dome's situation is also very good, being in the center of Kyrenia. Overall a really nice stay. Very impressed. Stayed at the Dome for 2 nights. We were impressed from the start as Mohammed met us and took care of our entrance and car needs then luggage. The hotel was impressive and has a classic style that is wonderful. All staff are excellently attentive. Facilities and location perfect, an all-round enjoyable experience. Would definitely stay again. Charles Beaumont. Best hotel, best beach, central, best beach, clear water, best location in Girne. Best hotel, best beach, central, best beach, clear water, best location in Girne. Best hotel, best beach, central, best beach, clear water, best location in Girne. Best hotel, best beach, central, best beach, clear water, best location in Girne. Best location, clean, nice view, complete breakfast. Staff doesn't speak a good English, Wi-Fi doesn't cover the 4th floor. The rest is fantastic, thumbs up emoji. Great place to stay. Okay, the hotel is a bit tired looking at places but it doesn't take away the location and the friendliness of the staff. Food was good and the place was clean. All COVID rules were followed by everyone. Happy to stay again and recommend.